see they had some last night. Did you see them?
Right.
They're like. Nailed it, baby!
Wow.
Used that in 7th grade. Remember that, Carly? Seriously.
What's your top 5 favorite pizza places?
Top 5 favorite pizza places. Giordano's. That and Lou Malnati's. I'm gonna do. There's like 3 or 4 Chicago ones, but I'll just do 2 Chicago ones. So those 2. We got Lou's and Gior's. Monocles and Robinson. Emos. And you're like, good answer.
Like that.
Toasted Rads.
Yeah, but pizza particularly in this list.
Yes. Joe's.
Joe's.
Shout out.